Subject and predicate. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar class. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English grammar, subject and predicate. Every complete sentence has these two parts. Once you understand them, making correct English sentences becomes much easier. So, let's get started. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Examples: I am a teacher. She is reading a book. What is a subject? The subject is the person, place, animal, or thing that performs the action or is being talked about. Simple formula. Subject plus predicate equals complete sentence. Examples: Ahmad plays cricket. Subject, Ahmad. He is sleeping. Subject, he. My sister cooks delicious food. Subject, my sister. They are studying. Subject, they. What is a predicate? The predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject. It always contains the verb. Examples: Ahmad plays cricket. Predicate, plays cricket. She is sleeping. Predicate, is sleeping. My sister cooks delicious food. Predicate, cooks delicious food. They are studying. Predicate, are studying. More examples. He is crying. Subject, he. Predicate, is crying. Birds fly in the sky. Subject, birds. Predicate, fly in the sky. My brother drives a car. Subject, my brother. Predicate, drives a car. Remember, every sentence has a subject. Every sentence has a predicate. The predicate always includes the main verb. Let's solve some examples. 1. The dog barked loudly. Subject, the dog. Predicate, barked loudly. 2. My brother writes stories. Subject, my brother. Predicate, writes stories. 3. The train arrived on time. Subject, the train. Predicate, arrived on time. Common mistakes. Wrong, running in the park. Why? There is no subject. Correct, the boy is running in the park. Wrong, the teacher. Why? There is no predicate. Correct, the teacher is teaching the class. Let's revise the lecture. A sentence has two main parts. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does or what happens to the subject. A complete sentence must have both a subject and a predicate. Now you know how to identify the subject and predicate in English sentences. Practice every day by finding the subject and predicate in the sentences you read. Keep learning, keep practicing, and improve your English every day.